boys? Welcome to the Jaeger's Garage channel. We got this 5.4 Triton that's making a horrible, what sounds like rod knocking noise when you rev it up. But it sounds fine right now. And it also loses oil pressure whenever the oil gets a little warm. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear this. Let me turn the AC off. So that sounds absolutely terrible. So just for science, we got this stuff. We're gonna dump this in and see if it quietens up. I do not expect it to. What I expect is that I'm gonna have to take this motor and either do bearings or get a machine shop to do the bottom end or something. But I guess we will see. I need to figure out something to mount you guys onto. How about that? Now, dump you right in here, and then we'll see what happens. Feel. There we go. Our fans are working, that's good. Alright, straight down the gullet, boys. I trapped myself. This way. There we go. Let that heat up and get in there. Melt in. Uh-oh. It's coming out. If this actually does something, I will be insanely impressed. Alright, so there's still something in there. I'm gonna go give her a couple of revs and we'll see what she sounds like. Well, for now, it still sounds pretty bad. But, maybe it'll improve, I don't know. We'll just leave this here and I'll get back to you guys if it improves. Alright, well, this was an extreme use case, but we still have oil pressure on the dummy gauge, but it is still rattling pretty badly, and I don't even think there's really doing bearings at this point of how it sounds. Honestly, I was just throwing that in there just to see. It's pretty noisy and it's starting to run a little rough. I mean, maybe there's a chance it hasn't circulated through the system yet and gotten goopy everywhere, but I think I don't think it's gonna help. I took it around the block and still got no power. So I think those lower bearings are just letting all the pressure out. They've been relieved a little bit. So I guess that's that. Doesn't work on this one.